Limiting use of RAM in Chrome. When leaving several tabs open in Google Chrome for hours/days, I notice that some pages end up using huge amounts of RAM, to the point where the whole OS, XP, becomes unresponsive due to paging. When I'm lucky, I can finally bookmark the list of open URLs, close Chrome, and start again. When I'm not, I simply must kill Chrome and hope I can recover the list of open URLs. Why is that? Memory leaks in plugins? Is there a way to configure Chrome so that a single tab/page won't use more than a set amount of RAM? Thank you.
I wrote a Python 2.5 program which kills Chrome's renderers when they use over a set amount of memory. I run this program under watch. Note that it uses the sudo module which isn't included with Python. I rely on Session Buddy to recover the open tabs when Chrome fails to restore them.
The only thing I've seen to date that can do this is to run Chrome inside a container and limit the container's RAM. However, this has some major caveats. Running Chrome is complicated by the Dockerized setup and launch sequence. For one, Chrome already uses kernel containers to sandbox its threads, so you have to run the container with a kind of root privilege that allows that to work. This can be circumvented, and the linked container model does so. It does practically everything it needs to. You will almost certainly lose poo acceleration. Getting audio to work is complicated, but handled in the linked container model. Whatever else you expect to go wrong when you void your warranty, Chrome violently dislikes being told not to use more RAM, and will act up in tantrum accordingly. But it ultimately does work. I am more interested in applying these RAM limits to Electron Shell apps which don't have pre-built Docker images to wrangle them for you. Off topic, but I want to note that Firefox is very well behaved on limited hardware, but I don't consider that a real answer.
Not exactly an answer to this question, but since Chrome 79 you can limit a total amount of memory after which Chrome will start unloading unused tabs, using total memory limit policy. To set this policy on Windows, go to the following path in Registry Editor, create the trailing keys if missing. Create a new word value called total memory limit. Edit the value and enter your limit, minimum 1024. Make sure you enter it as a decimal value. To set this policy on Mac, see these answers. You could also try it on Linux, but apparently it's not supported there. See my answers here for ways to reduce the average memory usage.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.